We got a couple of guys, two kids and his father hunting today up here. And I just got the first signal. We haven't been here like 2 or 3 minutes. I got a piece of melted lead. Yep, just got another piece of melted lead. Yeah, I'm getting a strong signal here. I just got this. Hold on a second, I'll clean it. Alright, it's a grommet with leather on it. Cool. Well, I'm getting a pretty strong signal in this hole here. Got the V6 today. I'll check and see what it is. Yeah, I got a bucking ball. About an hour or so. Nice, beautiful day today. It's almost 60 degrees and very windy. Yesterday we had about an inch of rain, so poke around and see if I can find anything. People have been digging this whole area up. Well, this is pretty crazy. I chased this signal around, and it's a piece of it's half of a percussion cap. Very tiny. I just got a pretty good signal here. Oh, I see it. It's a round ball, 69 caliber round ball. Cool. Yeah, I just got a buck ball. It was about maybe 4 or 5 inches deep. Just got another piece of melted lead. I just got like a brass signal, and it was about maybe 9 or 10 inches deep, and that little coffee cup top was right on top of it. I see something. Oh, look. Knapsack hook. J-hook. Cool. It's got a huge piece of melted lead. Probably a melted bullet. Oh, another buck ball. I'm poking around a hill about 100 yards away from where I was digging before, and there's a head site right there, and some other ones right around here. All kinds of them down that hill. I just dug under the brick and I got it out. I think I see it. Yeah. 3-ringer. Cool. There's the brick. I think I might take this with me. Hey, I went back to the spot. Been going back with Chuck for a while, and he was under the weather today, so I went up there myself. And these are all pieces of melted lead here that I found, and that's a square nail that I found in the bottom of the hut site. It's a rivet with some leather on it. I've got a nice J hook, knapsack hook. And a couple buck balls, a round ball, and a 3-ringer. And I also got a half of a percussion cap. Pretty cool. It was 60 degrees today and about a 40-mile-an-hour wind, so it's kind of weird weather for January. So if you like my video, please subscribe. Thanks.